Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, in this presentation, I will present a scientific paper with the title is Design and Testing of Fresh Betelnut Splitting Machine. Yeah, okay. Next. Okay. In this slide and introduction about myself. My name is Muhammad Rifat Anjiri. Address Street Unit 310, Cikembar, Sukabumi, Departemen Mechanical Engineering, Institution Nusa Putra University. Okay. In this slide 3, this is introduction of my scientific paper. This is a granite, also known as betelnut, is a kernel obtained from betelnut. Now, betelnut is one of the plantation commodities. Betelnut commodities in Indonesia are cultivated in smallholder plantation, such as in Aceh and Sumatra. Researchers state that Indonesia is the second country in terms of land area. Planted with betelnut trees with a productivity of 415 kg per hectare. However, the technology of tool and machinery in processing in agriculture has not been widely developed, especially from betelnut agricultural product. Betelnut is palm plant of the Aracaceae family that can reach 12 to 50 meter in height. Rooted in wheel fibers, perpendicular stems with a middle striper of 15 to 20 centimeter. Unbranched and loose leaf marks are clearly visible. The formation of new stems occurs after 2 years and bears fruit at the age of 5 to 8 years depending on the state of the soil. Betelnut seeds that are commonly sold by the people of Indonesia are useful for industrial material, such as cloth, dyes, and medicine. Betelnut as a constituent of medicinal herb has been included in the priority list of WHO or World Health Organization under the auspice of the United Nations. Until now, there are about 23 countries that use betelnut as a remedy for worms, toothache, flu, wounds, scabies, menstrual pain, nosebleed, canker sores, loose stool, scabs, and ulcers. In this next slide, this is a research method of my scientific paper. The method used in this study is a tool design method and then testing a series of tools that have been engineered to find out the performance of the tool. The tool design method has 3 stages, namely identification of problems that occur in farmers during the division of betelnut, related to the use of tools and the relatively long use of time. Furthermore, an inventory of ideas is carried out to solve existing problems. In the third stage, a design is obtained that can solve the problems that arise. engine performance is evaluated based on the following performance indicator. Number 1 is actual machine capacity. Number 2 is manual cutting capacity of fresh betel nut. Number 3 is machine efficiency. And number 4, cutting work efficiency. Okay, next. In this slide 5, this is a result discussion. Nah, on result discussion, several physical properties of fresh betel nut were measured to support the design of the areca nut splitting machine to work efficiently. The factors considered in the design of this machine are construction costs, material availability, strength of machine component, simplicity of construction material, ease of operation, maintenance, easy inspection, serviceability, machine maintenance, and energy requirements. Also, the important properties of agricultural material considered are physical and mechanical property of fresh betel nut. The engine capacity for its performance test is presented. The average working capacity manually is the capacity of this machine is more significant than 67.89% compared to manually. The average working efficiency of using this machine is higher than the result of studies mechanizing similar process. Okay, to slide 6. Slide 6. This is conclusion. The fresh betel nut cutting machine has been designed and built. The machine uses an electric motor with a power of 1 horsepower, 1040 RPM, 60 Hz. The cutting machine uses a static circular blade lever, and based on the research that has been done, it can be concluded. Yes. Okay. Thank you for your attention in my presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.